boys and girls, today we are going to be looking at three-digit subtraction in our word problems and also three-digit addition in our word problems. So you are going to notice that it's all subtraction on one side and then all addition on the other side. So again, just like before, make sure you press pause before I read each problem so that you can complete the work. Letter A. Nathan decided he only has $490 to spend on food for his party. One place he is buying wings from costs $250. How much money will he have left to spend on more food? Make sure you pause it. Letter B. Delaney got her phone bill for $195. She only had $127 in her account, so she asked her dad for the rest of the money. How much does she need from her dad? Make sure you pause it. Karen got $128 after cleaning 2 different houses. She's trying to save up for a cruise that costs $465. How much more money does Karen need to earn to go on the cruise? Make sure you pause. Letter D. Tim has been saving cans to take to the recycling center. He has saved 700, but the center only takes 425 per day. How many cans will be left over? Letter E. Lucas has 400 Pokemon cards, but over the weekend he lost 111. How many does he have now? Okay, make sure you have this paused. Make sure you have completed all of the subtraction problems before we go on to the addition problems. Letter A. Rodney has 329 Pokemon cards and his friend Chris has 412. How many Pokemon cards do they have? Letter B. Aiden has 122 dojo points. Her friend Bree has 131 dojo points. How many points do the two girls have? Letter C. Johnny brought in 210 chocolate chip cookies for the bake sale. He also brought in 173 sugar cookies. How many cookies did he bring in for the bake sale? Addie and Abby each have 125 rubber bracelets. How many do they have together? So remember, they each have 125 rubber bracelets. So think about what that's asking you to do. Letter E. In a week, Coach Kelly did 236 laps around the track. Coach March did 147 laps. How many laps did they do? And last, letter F. Kristen took her dogs to the vet. Lyric's trip cost $198. Stella's trip cost $209. How much did Kristen spend on her dogs? When you are done, make sure you've answered all the questions. Make sure you check your work very carefully, put your name on it, and turn it in.